He's picked up the mantle because Suleiman's been out since round 6. Vilnius Kauniauskas on the ball. Shot is good for Regimantas Menotas. Zemaitis finds Mekawulu. He's got the size advantage. He's going to try and take his man on. Oh, he goes through both of them, able to score off the glass and in. Oh, nice little handoff. Couldn't find Jantunen though. Mekawulu all the way to the hoop and scores. Lovely little floating basket for him. Lovely over-the-shoulder play. And Mekawulu finishing at the hoop, just launched himself as soon as he got it. It's 26-13. Paris have doubled up the Wolves. Finally, some offense. Menotas drives, gets the double team, puts it out. Shot, oh, in and out. Oh, good offensive board. And Trajan Furman's on the board at last. Furman. Cross-court pass. Menotas drives all the way to the hoop. Gap opens and he's able to score his first points of the night. And just see, wide open. Shot too strong. Brooks collects. Wolves the other way. Drive all the way to the hoop. Great play from Kauniauskas. Shot goes up as the clock is running out. And the bucket is good, finding some offense. Gives it up to Shorts. Shot clock's running down. Good deflection from the Wolves. Much needed bucket for the home side. Stop and pop from the free throw line. Comes up short, gets his own miss. Oh, nice pass off, but it's intercepted. Wolves quickly the other way. Brizka to the bucket, gets the bounce. Oh, lovely little runner off the glass. Back-to-back buckets, Vuskevicius.